Hey everyone, want to pair Google Fonts correctly? In this video, I'll show you how to combine different Google fonts to create better-looking designs step by step. First, open the Google Fonts website and explore different font families. Think about the style and feeling you want your design to have. Next, choose a main font for your headings. Headings usually work well with fonts that are bold, unique, and easy to notice. Now select a second font for body text. Choose something simple and readable so your content stays clear. Try combining fonts with different characteristics, such as a bold display font with a clean sans serif font or a modern heading font with an elegant text font. Avoid using too many different fonts in one project. Usually, using 2 or 3 carefully selected fonts creates a more professional look. Next, test your font combination by adjusting sizes, weights, and spacing to create a balanced design. Review your project on different screens to make sure the text remains easy to read. And that's how to pair Google Fonts. With the right font combinations, you can create websites, presentations, and graphics that look more polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.